ISRO accomplished its maiden Hypersonic Flight Experiment-01 RLV-TD HEX-01 mission on May 23, 2016 from SDSC SHAR and successfully demonstrated the critical technologies for design and flight testing of re-entry vehicles. However, it was a suborbital flight and was designed to land on the sea. Now, the ISRO is gearing up for the first runway landing experiment of its reusable launch vehicle RLV-LEX. Usually, the rockets either burn up or are left in space after launching satellites into space. Experiments to modify the rocket structure to make it reusable are in the final stage. The ISRO had earlier succeeded in landing its reusable launch vehicle in the sea. The second phase of this is the landing test on the runway. If this experiment turns out to be a success, India will become a country with reusable rockets. Countries such as the United States, Russia and China have partially or fully reusable launch vehicles. The rocket's reusability could lead to substantial financial gains in commercial launches. Launch costs will be reduced by a quarter. The runway landing experiment will be conducted at Aeronautical Test Range Chitradurga district in Karnataka. The RLV wing body will be carried using a helicopter to an altitude of 3 to 5 kilometers and released at a distance of about 4 to 5 kilometers ahead of the runway with a horizontal velocity. After the release, the RLV will glide, navigate towards the runway and land autonomously with a landing gear in the defense airfield near Chitradurga. Sources in the National Space Agency headquarters earlier said new systems like landing gear, parachute, hook beam assembly, radar altimeter, and pseudolight have been developed and qualified. One of the crucial technologies to be demonstrated in the RLV-LEX mission is approach and autonomous landing on a runway, according to ISRO. In order to acquire end-to-end reusable launch vehicle technology capability, this milestone RLV-LEX has to be achieved before the RLV-OR, that is Orbital Re-Entry Experiment mission, ISRO officially said. In OR, a wing body called Orbital Re-Entry Vehicle will be taken to an orbit by an ascent vehicle derived from the existing GSLV and PSLV stages and stay in orbit for a stipulated period, re-enter and land in a runway autonomously with a landing gear. ISRO Chairman Dr. S. Somnath said that the adverse weather conditions are posing a challenge. The experiment will be conducted when the weather, including wind direction, becomes favorable. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.